Calm app subscription pricing explained what you get for your money. If you ever felt overwhelmed, anxious, or just struggled to sleep, chances are someone has recommended the Calm app. But is the subscription really worth the cost? Let's find out. Calm Premium costs $99 per month or $99 per year, with lifetime access available for around. That might seem steep for a meditation app, but what you're paying for is a full mental wellness experience. The app includes guided meditations, sleep stories, ambient music, and breathing exercises. You'll also find daily Calm sessions, short, bite-sized meditations to help you reset during stressful moments. Most people get this wrong. They think Calm is only for sleep, but it's equally powerful for improving focus, mindfulness, and stress management. With voices from celebrities like Matthew McConaughey and LeBron James, it adds a touch of motivation and personality to the experience. Calm also offers masterclasses from mental health experts, daily gratitude exercises, and tools for improving focus during work. For anyone looking to manage stress, improve sleep, or create a daily mindfulness habit, Calm's subscription is less about cost and more about consistent mental health investment.